I'm Doug Llewelyn. If there is one thing you want to say about a company that has been in business over 98 years, it is that obviously they really know what they are doing, and they must be doing it right. And that certainly is the case with this company, Hummel Croton, which is headquartered here in South Plainfield, New Jersey. This is a privately held chemical corporation which produces organic and inorganic chemicals that are used in a wide variety of industries, from aerospace and electronics to fire retardant, pyrotechnic, and especially by the military through the manufacture of ingredients used in ammunition. They are highly specialized, extremely competent, and their customers literally are located all around the world. Amazingly, the president of this company started working here when he was a teenager. He knows this business from top to bottom. His name is Bernard F. Schoen, Jr.
It's a small company. We manufacture a wide variety of things that are basically used in the ordnance industry: barium peroxide, strontium peroxide, strontium nitrate, oxalic acid, salts, and different things in that area. We also do some flame retardants: melamine pyrophosphate, melamine orthophosphate, dimelamine phosphate, which is used, as I said, as flame retardants in various different manners. Some in the paper industry, in the plastics industry, and also in the paint industry. We also do custom milling and grinding of various different powders or materials for the ordnance industry also, and some fireworks manufacturers: potassium nitrate, strontium nitrate, sodium nitrate, to name a few.
Who are the customers for the products that you manufacture?
It's your ordnance munitions manufacturers who make various different devices that are used by the military. We also supply, as I said, the flame retardant industries, various different ones where they'll blend it into the paper. They'll also blend it into paint, so it'll go on as a coating, as a fire-resistant coating. Also into your into circuit board manufacturers, so your computers don't burn should something go wrong. We also supply some of the pyrotechnics manufacturers, fireworks manufacturers, with various different materials to do fireworks.
And interestingly, Bernie, you have customers literally all over the world.
We are a niche company. There's only so many companies out there still in the manufacturing of the materials. We have clients in Israel, we have clients in Korea, Sweden. We've had materials go out to Dubai, India, Sri Lanka. We've had stuff going down to South America. We ship materials out to even Hawaii. We pretty much hit all over the world. They find out who you are, they start buying the materials, and they like what they get.
You have a laboratory here with test tubes and everything. What goes on in there?
Oh, we do a lot of QC work. We do, when I say QC, quality control of our own materials that we manufacture. We have an atomic absorption unit, which essentially can go down there and find the smallest parts of the contamination down into the parts per million.
We're here in the lab with Mike Richard, who is the company's chemical engineer, a recent Rutgers graduate. What goes on in a lab for a company like this?
Essentially in the lab we test every material that's incoming, in process, and outgoing. We certify it to company specifications, customer specifications, and send it out. Because
basically, as I gather, everything you work with, it's outside, and in the work area, you're dealing with chemicals.
All day, every day. Chemicals from every spectrum.
So whether you're dealing with something that's going to end up as part of ammunition, or whether it's something to do with a fire retardant, you have to get the formula actually, I guess, established here before you go out and do it, right?
Yeah, we start things on a small scale in the lab and figure out how to perfect it in the plant. And once it makes it to the plant, we make sure everything behaves correctly there.
Once you finish the testing with the product here, then what happens? I mean, what do you have to do?
Basically, we keep all of our results in a logbook in the lab, and when it's ready to go out as a product, we create a certificate of analysis that shows every test that was done and the results. Myself and Bernie sign off on it, and that's shipped to the customer, sometimes before even the shipment is approved.
So if there's ever any question about it, you can go back to the actual tests here.
Right back to the logbook, to the date that it was tested, and even sometimes determine who it was tested by. And we keep a retained sample for up to 3 years of every chemical that we send out. So if a customer has a problem with a chemical, they can tell us the lot number. We can go to our retained catalog and test it ourselves here.
Obviously, you have competitors, but what do you think it is that separates this company from your competition?
Well, I like to believe it's the people, and we stand behind our products. If there's a problem with our product, we actually sit there and we will work with the customer, and that's a big thing nowadays. We try and answer all our customers within a short period of time, because it's in this day and age where everything is computer. It's still nice that you can call somebody looking for something with a problem, whatever it is. You get a live voice, and we try and return phone calls within a 24-hour period, if not sooner, in reference to whatever it is that the customer requirements are.
What do you see for the future of this company as you look down the road?
I see us still going places. We'll still be out there. I'm looking to expand. Okay, and it's just a matter of how I can expand. But I see operations picking up, and I do see this company making its 100-year mark and going beyond.
And there you are, an inside look at the amazing story of Hummel Croton, now over 98 years old and still going strong. I'm Doug Llewelyn, reporting from South Plainfield, New Jersey.